This song has more than twice as many notes as our next fastest song. This is a song that was written recently when I was in Romania, and I was in search for the gypsies because I wanted to learn the real Romanian gypsy music. That really fast Romanian gypsy music that had that weird fluttering sound to it. So I went searching, driving on all these back roads in Transylvania for like 2 weeks looking for the gypsies. I found lots of gypsies, but they were, whenever I would ask, where are the musicians, the gypsy musicians, they would say, you will not find here. I think they were holding out on me because if Romanian gypsy musicians aren't in Romania, where the heck are they? Anyways, in my despair, I went behind some gypsy wagons in this field and started composing a piece. But the birds in the trees were so loud that they were interrupting my piece, and my piece ended up sounding like the birds. And then I realized it actually sounds like Romanian gypsy music. So I kind of actually think that the Romanian gypsies stole their music from the birds, just like I did. So in the end, I learned the Romanian gypsy music, just not from the gypsies. This is a song from a new CD. It's called Gypsy Bird.
Right there.